Before we had the platform, you might end up leaning on one driver or one truck more than another. Now with us having the platform and seeing where all our trucks are, allows us to kind of talk to whichever vehicle is closest. The advantages of using Fleet Complete and Vision over the platform that we used to have, it gives us better visibility, both online where our trucks are, and also with Vision, it allows us to see, our driver behavior, making sure they're driving in a safe manner, making sure that, if there's any incidents that we can document anything that happens. We want to make sure that our entire team, specifically the team that's on the road in our vehicles, are in a safe environment. And so, for them having this added layer of security helps them. It's just one extra thing that we feel is keeping them safe, and truly I think they appreciate having that. Our business is expanding. We've recently expanded to Western Canada, and the thing is, you don't want to replicate all the infrastructure that you have here for every location, so being able to have, to increase our fleet size in Western Canada and still have it monitored from our head office is a real cost savings for us. The online platform, it allows a number of people in our organization to view, to have real-time optics on where our fleet is, and allow us to make decisions. And if we need to make changes in a day based on what was let's say the original schedule, we can make changes in real time and let our team know where they need to be.
So Fleet Complete changed my job, especially because now I'm able to check everything that is going on time. So one of the features I really like is that I can see where the trucks and the vans are. So I don't need to call the driver all the time or ask them questions. I can know where they are, where they stopped, and check if they did the delivery I was planned on that hour, or at least on that specific period.
The single biggest advantage to Fleet Complete lies in the competitive nature of our industry. When we can deliver both goods and services quicker than our competitors, it provides us a real advantage. So any kind of technology that we can use to help support that goal is a real game changer, and definitely Fleet Complete has been a real partner in helping us achieve that goal.